I don't know how I can do this.
Sup, people? Hello.
Stop me.
Okay. Then how does this thing survive?
I don't know.
Stupid cat. I'm gonna kill that cat someday. I'm gonna go boom, boom, boom.
Oh, it's coming towards me.
Who would you rather live with, me or him?
Obviously me, because it's coming towards me.
See, it's injured.
Yeah,
Look,
I
look
know.
at it. He's injured. So be careful. It's got too much. It's injured right there. See it? It's
Yeah.
injured on its wing.
Can't see. So should I get it? Should I get it?
Get it and pick it up. Yeah, pick it up.
Gently put it on the sidewalk so I can actually see it on the tape.
Okay, come on, put it like this.
Put it like this. Like that.
And then
So
what?
pick it up. Put it in towards its way.
Okay.
Thanks. No, what are you doing? Where is it?
Yeah.
Right there. Pick it up.
Use it with the leaf. Get Jesus.
Hey, Zeus, what is that? Guys, turn it on. Oh, no.
Here.
Come on, lady.
Push it with this.
Turn it on. Come here. Turn it on.
Push it.
I'm so scared right now. So.
And then put it on there.
Okay, good. Lift it up. Lift it up. Oh, no. Too hard.
Hey, got it. No.
You want to just touch it?
I know, I wanted to touch it.
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh,
Don't
dude.
be scared.
I'm just going to pick it up.
No,
There we go.
I got it.
Pick it up right here. Put it on here.
Keep it on the sidewalk. Don't
Guys,
let
we
it go.
got it.
So it can walk. It's probably stuck in that
Dude,
grass.
it's bleeding real good.
That's why you put it on the sidewalk.
We have to keep it away from cats.
Yeah.
Put it on
No,
the
we have to
sidewalk.
put it somewhere else.
On the sidewalk.
No.
The cats are probably looking for it.
We're gonna be buying it.
Okay, good.
No, dude.
Search and rescue. Open. Take a picture of it.
Dude, we can take care of it.
Feed it every day.
Yeah. Find a baby bird. Find the
So
alive.
beautiful.
I know.
We can't let it off.